What's up, everybody? Today we are getting LED lights on our bagger. This bike still has all the halogen junk, so we need to make sure everybody can see us. We want to be safe out there, and so let's get these lights installed, and they're going to be simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You guys like that? Look at that. It's badass. Got that in Cancun, Chichen Itza, Mexico. But yeah, let's install this and let's make this happen, guys. Let's go. All right, this is what we got in the mail. All right, Custom Dynamic Pro Beam tail lights and front signal lights. Boom, boom, they're smoked. Look nice. All right, right here we got the low profile LED backlights. They're smoked also, and they're sequential, so they go like everybody says. And we also have the Pro Beam run and brake LED tri-bar. It goes in the very bottom. And here we have the modular magic strobe, and that is gonna help people see us braking. So
We studied traffic patterns and found that drivers move the fastest through yellow lights. So now we just have the red and yellow lights. Yay.
and all this is smoked, so let's install this bad boy. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, let's start with the front. All right, let's go here. On the very bottom, there's a little tab, and just grab a little screwdriver like that and just give it a little twist. Boom. Pops right out just like that. And coming in here, same thing. Twist to your left and this should come out super easy. All right, so this is our first light that we're gonna put on, and if you look closely, they put a little bit of dielectric grease, which is nice. So I don't have to actually grab my dielectric grease. So let's go ahead and put that on. It's easier if you have two hands, but let's see if I can try to do this with one. So there's, kind of lined it up a little bit with one hand, and grab a screwdriver. Give it a little push and to the right. That's that. And give it a couple turns so those wires can tuck in there, and push it in just like that. All right. Now let's get our smoke lens. All right, let's grab our smoke lens, and I'm gonna leave the little tab on the bottom side and pop this bad boy in place with one hand. See, easy. Pops right in. Looks good. All right, let's make a quick comparison just to see what it looks like. Wow. Definitely brighter, and that looks just disgusting. I love it. It looks amazing. It looks great, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one without recording it. You guys saw how easy it was. Man, anybody can do this. All right, so took less than a minute to install this right one. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, heck yeah. This looks great, guys. I'm loving it. All right, let's do the rear. Same thing. There's a little tab right underneath. Grab your flathead, put it right underneath, and boom, pops right out. Just like that. Same thing, lefty loosey to get it out. Just like that. All right, here's our first rear. Put it in like that. Let's get our flathead. It'll turn to the right, just like that, just like that. And And let's give this bad boy a couple turns. We tuck those wires in. Make it look pretty. Right there. Not like that. Not like that. Look at that difference, guys. Custom dynamics and then just a regular ugly bulb. But yeah, that smoke lens looks pretty nice. All right, so there's a lot of light right now, but I mean, look at that. It looks so much nicer compared to this ugly halogen and that beautiful LED. Look at that. All right, we're underneath here. We're gonna get this light out. So this little plastic piece should pop right out. All right. And yep, just like that. And you want to take these out. These harnesses come right out. Kind of a pain in the butt, but not too bad. And I believe on the very top, see if you can see that. Jeez, it's so hard to see. Anyways, right in here, T27 and then T27 up here, and that should pop this whole bad boy out. Let's give it a shot. Put the camera down. So that's the old light, and here is the new light. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and reverse what we just did and check it out. Day 2. All right, I didn't get a chance to finish up that first day. So as of now, I already finished up this light right here. Now I'm gonna put the bag lights. And with these bag lights, before you put them on, just make sure you test it all out, make sure everything works. And everything looked like it was working fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick them on. Get the alcohol wipe. Go ahead and start cleaning that surface. All right, so the tape, go ahead and give it a couple swipes so it can activate this 3M. Line it up as good as you can, as close as the bag that you can. Yep. Go ahead and repeat the same process for the other side. Activate the 3M. All right, we got all the lights installed. Let's check it out. All right, let's use the brake. Right signal. That signal. Brake. And hazards. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions, put in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, later.